This week we are continuing our series on how to make the most of your online reviews. Specifically, we are going to take a look at how to optimize your online starred reviews using the Seller Ratings Automated Ad extension, so you can save money and improve your click-through rates in your paid advertising. Hi, my name is Stephanie and I'm the founder of Rose Place Marketing. Do you spend money on search advertising? If so, then you're probably always looking for ways to spend less money on ads that don't convert as well and put your spend into high converting ad copy and keywords. One common way to save money, improve the relevancy of your ads, and increase click-through and conversion rates is to use ad extensions. Hopefully this isn't news to you, but if it is, you heard it here first. This video is going to focus on the Google AdWords platform, as they often set the rules that the other search engines follow. If you'd like for me to cover how you can use your online starred reviews on other search engines, just let me know in the poll. One of my favorite ad extensions is the Seller Ratings Automated Ad extension. I know it's a little bit of a mouthful. In search ads, it looks something like this. This is a branded text ad for Amazon with what is called a starred rating attached to the ad. I'm sure you've seen this a million times before. This extension operates as a trust factor, as unpaid consumers have left reviews advising other potential customers for or against the company or product in question. Before we dive into the requirements for enabling the Seller Ratings extension, there are a few details to note. First off, it's automated, meaning you don't manually configure anything in Google AdWords. It's something that Google will check and then automatically apply to your ads when you meet the specific requirements. This extension only applies to the Google Search Network, meaning it will show exclusively on search ads, not display ads. And finally, the starred rating is always out of 5 stars. So if you've been collecting reviews on a different star scale, they won't count. The requirements on the surface are relatively simple. In the AdWords Help article about this topic, they indicate that seller ratings only show when a business has 150 unique reviews and a composite rating of 3.5 stars or higher. However, this article fails to mention some less publicly known rules, which I'll go over for you now. There is the rolling 12-month rule, which means that the 150 unique reviews must have been collected within the last rolling 12 months. This translates to about 12.5 reviews per month, which might not seem like a lot, but for some smaller businesses, this can be a challenge, as you might not even have 12 to 13 new customers every month from which to request reviews. It takes Google about 2 to 3 weeks to pick up the reviews once you hit 150, so don't expect that the second you hit 150 reviews for stars to start showing in your PPC ads. You also have to be actively collecting reviews over time. If you get to 150 reviews and then stop, Google will remove the extension due to suspicious behavior on the part of the advertiser. In fact, any suspicious behavior can cause you to lose your reviews either through Google or whatever third-party tool you're using to collect your reviews. For example, having a great total number of reviews that are all 5 stars. I'm talking like 1,000. It is doubtful that everyone walks away from a business transaction with a 5-star review. It makes Google think that either you are removing legitimate negative reviews or you're preventing them. And in this case, both are huge no-nos, so don't do it. Finally, the most critical and I think the least well understood rule is that the reviews that count must come from one of these sites. This means they do not count from other collection sources like Google My Business, Google Home Services, Facebook, Yelp, HomeAdvisor, etc. It doesn't matter if you have 1,000 Google My Business reviews. I know this seems counterintuitive, as Google My Business is owned by Google. Google My Business reviews are great from an organic search and a local marketing point of view. I don't mean to knock them or entirely discount them. You should definitely collect reviews for Google My Business. But the point is, those reviews will not help you in enabling the Seller Ratings extension. Whether or not to prioritize reviews that help your paid advertising versus reviews that help you in other verticals like social media marketing or local marketing, That's up to you and should be based on your specific business goals. A few tips and tricks. You can see if Google has indexed any reviews from your business by going here. Where it says example.com, replace it with your business URL minus the HTTP, HTTPS, and wwws. If you have not hit the 150 mark, nothing will show like so. If you have hit the 150 mark, it will show the following: a breakdown of how many total reviews you have, how many reviews per star rating you have, and the reviews most recently indexed by Google. Want to see whether or not the seller ratings extension is actively showing in your search ads? That information is available in your AdWords account. If you use the old user interface, log into your account, go to your business profile, under All Campaigns, click the Add Extensions tab near the top of your screen. Then update the drop-down view to show View Automated Extensions Report. When you meet the requirements, the extension will show up as Seller Ratings. If you use the beta user interface, it's mostly the same process. Log into your account, go to your business profile under All Campaigns, click the Ads and Extension tab on the left-hand side of the screen, then click on the Automated Extensions tab near the top of the screen. When you meet the requirements, the extension will show up as Seller Ratings. Upcoming! Next week, we're going to be taking a short break from this series. Instead, we will discuss some rookie mistakes small businesses make when launching their business website that really negatively impact their search engine optimization. Need help with your online marketing? Rose Place Marketing can help with your online marketing needs, no matter how big or small. Please visit roseplacemarketing.com to schedule a one-on-one consultation today with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.